But as well, I can do my budget planning because this is as well something that's crucial for my business, and as well interesting for me to know how my budget is organized, how it's structured, and as well if I'm still in budget at the end of the time. So we do have a whole budget process for creating, submitting, and approving a budget, as well then controlling the budget with different KPIs on the portfolio itself, but this as well then displays it on the same on the program. You have two different ways to structure the budget. One, I think this is the case where we start on the top, where I do have a budget limit, and then I just kind of divide these budget from the top down to the programs and then down to the projects. There's another way to start from the bottom and just plan out the projects and then overtake these values into the sufficient programs, and then the programs as well overtake these information into the portfolio itself. I can as well have different versions of budgets. So I can, basically right now I'm still working with the version 1 of the budget, but later on if there are budget negotiations or there are adjustments to the budget, I can still then revise the budget and create a new one based on the old one, or even like create a new structure if it's maybe, for example, something that has changed. For example, right here we have AI Copilot that was added, and as well will be something where we invest some money in. I can directly type in and make changes from here, or then, as for example, go into the record itself and then overtake the values directly from here. I do as well have the option to add a budget contingency right here, so I can add like a little buffer. Let's do like 430, like that. And then my budget amount kind of changes apparently based on that value. And then as well my budget, which I do get here calculated with 8.5K roughly, is still way under my budget limit. So I can still have some more plannings in to do that.